Now, two intersecting line makes an angle of 120 degrees. So suppose if you can draw it any way you like. Right? Let's say if we try to decide to draw it like this. This is, let's say, one line, correct? Line 1. And this is, let's say, line 2. This is 120 degrees. The angle between the lines is 120 degrees. This is line 2. Okay? Point A is 400 meters away from the point of intersection. Point A, let's say point A is line 1. Initially it's 400 meters away. Correct? Point B is 300 meters away on the second line actually. It's not well worded, but it's on the second line.
Yeah, it's very badly worded.
Yeah, it's not well worded, but it's okay. You can. I mean, they should word it better, but it's fine. And the second line, they should mention that. Point A moves along one of the straight lines towards the point of intersection. So point A is moving towards the point of intersection.
Yeah. With a velocity of?
Velocity of 20 meters per second. Okay.
V1.
So this is moving at 20 meters per second towards the intersection. Simultaneously, point B starts moving away along the second straight line towards the point of. Both are moving towards. Oh, sorry. This is also moving towards.
At 10 meters per second.
Yeah, this is also moving towards at 10 meters per second. Correct?
Yeah, what is the minimum distance? Okay, it's the same thing. The speed of
What is the minimum distance towards the point of along the stretch towards the point of intersection? It should be away from the point of intersection. Minimum distance. Minimum distance. Okay, fine. No, that's fine.
What would be the
minimum distance? Now, what will happen? Let the time be t. Let the minimum distance happen at time is equal to t. Let the distance.
Won't the minimum distance be when I go to the point of intersection?
No, what will happen is,
Zero.
No, what will happen is when this crosses the point of intersection, it is moving faster. This may be somewhere here.
Oh,
They may not meet at the point of intersection. They don't stop. They continue. So.
If they stop at the minimum distance.
Yeah, correct. Let a distance be minimum when at t, at time t. Correct? What is the distance moved by A? Distance moved by A will be what?
No, sorry.
Velocity into time,
yeah.
Correct? That's how much? 20t in time t. What is the distance moved by B? What will the distance moved by B be?
V into t, so it will be 10.
So that means what's going to happen is, listen. Suppose there's a beginning scenario. Now if you look at the scenario afterwards now.
Yeah.
This is 120. Now A was here. Now A has come here. A has moved towards. So the distance traveled by A is 20t.
Yeah.
So what is the distance from the point of intersection to this be? How much will this be? 400 minus 20t. See, 400 was the original distance. 400 was the original distance initially. Now it came towards. So that means this is the distance. You subtract out 20t, it's moved towards the.
Yeah.
So you subtract 20t from 400. Similarly, what is the distance of BB now? B was here somewhere, now B came closer. Let's say.
I just want to ask him why from there to there is 400, and now why like.
Suppose A was initial.
Actually moved out of 400.
A1 was here, now A came here. A was initially here.
That was the remaining distance he has is that. The remaining distance.
Yeah. Similarly, what is the remaining distance of BB?
It will be 300. Yeah.
300 minus 10t because this one distance at
B is 300 meters away.
Yeah. So what is the distance between them? So this is B ka position. What is the distance between them now?
Okay, you take Pythagoras.
No, you cannot take Pythagoras. This is not a right angle, right? So what do you do? How do you find the distance? Let the distance between them be x.
You can't do so. Cosine.
It's not cosine rule. Yes, you're right. So apply the cosine rule. No, not SOHCAHTOA. Obviously, it's not a right angle.
Yeah.
Cosine rule. What's the cosine rule?
It will be
x square.
hypotenuse into adjacent.
There's no hypotenuse adjacent if it's not a right angle triangle. Side square plus side square, correct? A square plus b square minus 2ab cos c, cos of the included angle. Expand it. A square 1 2 3 4 plus b square if you want to write it like that, minus 3 2s are 600 and multiply with 6000 t, correct? That's the expansion of this bracket. Now expand the second bracket.
Wait one second. Why have you not opened that 400 minus 2t the whole square?
Huh?
Why have you not opened that 400?
I have reached there now. I'll open that now.
Huh?
Array, I'll open it now.
Oh, sorry.
I am opening the first bracket. So I cannot open the two brackets simultaneously with two hands. So I'm opening the first bracket, then I'm opening the second bracket. Okay. 4 4s are 16.
So we,
1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4t square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Correct?
Yeah.
Minus 2. This is 4 3s are 12. I'm opening these two brackets. I'm multiplying these two. Minus 4000 t minus 600 t plus you can do any way you like.
Okay, I just want to ask you if it's correct. Can I just multiply 2?
What is the value of cos? What is the value of cos 120? Cos 120 is minus half.
Cos 60, which is
Minus half. Minus half.
Why minus half?
All silver teacups. In the second quadrant, your only sign is positive, cos is negative. Don't forget. Second quadrant, 120.
120, yeah. So now my question was, can I multiply 2 by 300 minus 10t? Whatever I get for that, then multiply that by 400 minus 2t.
Yes, you can.
Only applies to
yeah, we can do all that. We're not discussing all the methods. You won't be able to finish the sum. 16 plus 9, 25. Plus, how much is it? 140 square. Minus 7600 t. This and this cancels. This will become plus, correct?
Yeah.
This will become minus 4000. No, minus. So it will become plus 4600 t. Correct?
Correct.
And plus. Because minus and minus become plus, no?
Yeah.
Minus and minus become plus, so this t, correct, and this will become what? Plus, so 20t square. So x square is equal to, how much is it? 262. I'm adding this and this. Add this and this. How much is it? Add. You have a calculator. You have to use your calculator. 6 and 6, 12. 12 plus 124 t square. Just add. No, it's right.
So I told you.
No, that's the, I missed the p. No, this is right. And this, you took 12,200. It's only 1200.
Okay.
Now what do you do?
Derivative.
You take the root on the other side.
Oh, sorry. Now to find the root of this.
You can't find the root of this.
It's find the derivative of the thing.
Yeah. What is the derivative of root x?
1 over 2.
So dx by dt. If you want to look and write it like this. 1 over 2 root
2, 6. Now take this way.
Take the derivative of top function into the derivative of this is how much? Minus 1220 plus 248t. Correct?
This is madness.
You make this equal to 0. So that means you will get only this much there. Correct? You will get only this much. So if you do that, 248t is equal to 12200. So t is equal to 12200 upon 248. But now you don't know. You divide this only, you know what you have to do.
Why can't I do this from the beginning?
Beginning this will get cross minus and become 0. Yeah. So t is equal to 49.2. So 48. So what will happen at 49.2?
It's the minimum distance you can tap in the door. So we'll plug it in.
Now you plug this value, you take this value and put in this equation. That will give the minimum distance.
Okay.
So do that.
So she